One of the best things about Adobe Bridge is its user interface. Adobe Bridge comes with a very flexible and totally customizable user interface. From this top panel, you'll be able to navigate through your files and folders in your computer. Then there are panels like folders, favorites, preview, metadata, keywords, etc. If you click on this button, there will be a pop-up menu. From there, select Reset Workspace. That will take the default workspace. Now, if I want to move this folders pane at the bottom, I'll just select it and start dragging it. As you can see, as I start dragging, the border will become blue. That indicates where the panel will be. If I move it a little below, the border will become a straight line. This indicates that the folders panel will be between these two. Let's leave it over here. And now there are 3 of them. If I want to move export, here I'll do the same. I will just click on it and drag it. Now there are 2 over here. You can adjust the workspace depending on the task you are performing or that suits you best. There are some defaults like film strip. Click on that and you'll see a film strip view of your folder. Here the preview of the file will be larger and you'll be able to navigate through this scroll. If you are more interested into the metadata, click on the metadata workspace. And so there is a ton of information about the content in your folder. The same way is output. If you click on that, it is somewhat like the film strip view, but you can create a quick PDF or web gallery using these buttons. There are some additional information about the output of the file. Click here to get more options. I will suggest to try these workspaces and also create your own.